Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type DevCheck and following that install this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Thanks to this app you can find out all the information about your Sony's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!